Hi, this is Mike, Family DIY TV on the YouTube, and today I'm with a new tool, and I am very excited. I got this on sale on Amazon. It also had a sale on Home Depot, but it was sold out. I couldn't get it there. This thing cost me about $100, but this is something that if you're doing any kind of DIY, woodworking, installing doors, I know I got a lot of questions about this tool on my door install video. This is definitely something that's gonna be very useful, and I'm gonna show you how it works in this video. Let's do it. So this is an oscillating tool. The battery comes off. To put the blade on and off, these have come a long way. You used to have to put an Allen key on here. It was a disaster. Now all you do is you click the button, click the little lever, and you pull the blade right off. Okay, you put the blade right back on. The nice thing about this is you can put it in all kinds of different angles if you need to get under something and run it. But in this case, we're just gonna run it like this. It's got a lock on it. Okay, if you wanna lock it, I don't know why you'd wanna do that. It's got 3 speeds, okay? And I'm real excited. All the ones I had in the past have a power cord to them. And really, whenever you're using something like an oscillating tool, you're always somewhere where you're kind of in a small spot and you're usually away from a plug for some reason. I don't know why. Whenever you're using an oscillating tool, you're just away from a plug. It's just the nature of what you use this for. You'll use this to cut trim work. So if you're installing doors like down by the bottom, or if you're cutting, I'll show it to you right now. Clean this up. I'm telling you, these things are amazing. Oh, got some dust on there. All right, let's get back into our corner. Oh, we put the baby in the corner. What? All right, so to finish this off, we're gonna finish this off. I'm gonna put a link to this actually down below. So if you're looking to pick something up like this, I got it on sale for $100. This thing's worth every penny. It also came with a battery, and I'm gonna say pick it up, link down below. Another thing that's really cool about these is they're actually really safe. You just saw me cut that, right? And you put your finger right on there. Very weird, right? This cuts metal as well. So this is a wood blade, but you can also put a metal blade on here. I'm just telling you, this is something for a DIYer. If you're looking for a Christmas gift, definitely pick it up for them. They're gonna love it. This is Mike, Family DIY TV on the YouTube. Pick it on up, click on that link below. Let's do it.